Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a new React app from scratch. The instructions are available on the react.org/docs under the section Create a new app. If you scroll down the page, you will see the three commands. That is all we need to do to create a new app. So let's start. npx create React app, my first React app. This is the name of the app, my first React app, and you can choose whatever you want. At this point, it's installing. It'll probably take a minute or so depending on your internet connection and the speed of your CPU. The first app has been created, so I'll change directly into it and then run npm start. This is the React app. There is nothing in it except the rotating React icon. Now you can start customizing this for your own app.